Hi everyone, this side is Ujjwal from Panther team at Prolifix. Today I'll show you the new feature in Panther 552 that supports CSV driver for report. I am using Red Hat 7.6 with GUI to show this demo on our AWS environment. So as we can see, this is our Panther 552 in the edit mode. Now I'll show you how to create a Panther report into a CSV format. For this, I'm just using a demo report and a simple Panther screen. So to create a CSV format report, I'll just write some JPL procedure. Now I'll show you what I write in the JPL procedure. So this is the JPL procedure I write for CSV button, which is in the screen. So as the CSV button is pressed in the test mode, it will invoke this JPL procedure. So this is proc CSV in which I in which run report, demo report, which is the name of your report in your library, driver equal to CSV, output in output, you can mention the location and the name of the output file which will create. As I can understand the text is very small, I'll just put this proc in the description box. So to create a CSV format report, just go to the test mode by pressing F2 button. So here now I am in the test mode of my Panther application. Now I'll press CSV button so that it will invoke the CSV proc to generate a report in a CSV format. As I press CSV button, and after that I'll just check my destination file, and here you can see a demo.csv file has been created. So you can also check by click on the properties, and here you can check this is a file called demo.csv.
Thanks for watching our video. If you have liked the video, please press the like button. If you are viewing our content for the first time, please press subscribe button. If you have any queries, either post them in the comment section or email us at support@prolifix.com.